Under $300,000 gets you almost 2 acres, a brand new well, dual heat pumps, a metal roof, and a gorgeous kitchen in upstate New York. Let that sink in. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm bringing you out to 4477 Haag Road in Eden, New York, and honestly, when I pulled up the details on this one, I had to do a double take on the price. We're talking 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1,410 square feet of living space sitting on just under 2 acres of land, and it's all yours for $299,900. Now here's what makes this one stand out. That eat-in kitchen is absolutely gorgeous, and this isn't a fixer. This place has been quietly upgraded from top to bottom. So the real question is, does $213 a square foot, on 2 acres, with all of that already done for you, make sense in today's market? That's what we're here to find out. By the time we walk through this place, you'll know exactly whether this price is justified or not. Alright, let's step inside. If this one surprised you, hit that like button and subscribe. We find deals like this for you. Comment below, would you scoop this up or keep looking? And seriously, with delayed negotiations already set, this one won't last. Don't sleep on it.